Hi there. So we're gonna be talking about code design. Code design. So code design is also uh, what you can do to display your work, your ideas, your concepts on social media. So how do you go about it? So you first you know change the background. You can change the background to any color of your choice. If you click on blue, change it to blue. If you click on you know you can also change the background to any color, no any color given to you by Canva. Maybe you have images on your maybe on one of the pages, so the Canva will provide you with the colors that are available in the picture, so you can choose any color. But here we are going to you know use a picture as a background. So you click on the plus button, then you come to elements. So you click on elements. So you have items. So then you scroll down, you go to picture, you go to photos, then uh clock, let's see, alarm clock. So this is it. So then what you want to, it depends on what you want to type, what you want to it depends on your codes. So you should always ensure that the background is illustrating your code, your code rather. So I can choose this as my background, since what I want to talk about is about you know it relates to you know something like some, it's relates to sleeping, or it relates to time. It's about time, something like that. You can delete this background. So then this one, how do you make it your background? So you long press on it, then you click on set image as background. So can you see? So then you can adjust it. How do you adjust it? You double click on the screen, on the page, then you drag it, drag it to where you how you want it. Drag it to the to where you want it to be. So here I would just want to adjust it. So another way you can adjust your background is to click on crop, and click on crop. So you have the same thing, so you can adjust it. Can you see? You can adjust it. Done. Click on done. So now what remains, so I'm going to type in what I want to type. So then I download. So now you click on the plus button, then you come to text. So when you come to text, you click add a little bit of body text. Click on it, then you can adjust it. Then you change the color to white, so that it is coherently vivid. It is lucid, can be seen plainly. So you then edit it. Click on it, click on the text, then click on edit button. So then you type successful people. do not sleep throughout do not sleep throughout the night. The nocturnal prayer, the nocturnal voluntary prayer, voluntary prayer is best performed at the time is best performed in the last 1/3. Of the night. Okay, so the nocturnal voluntary prayer is best performed in the last 1/3 of the night. So you can click on this button to, okay, so then drag it here, drag it to the right hand side. You can change you can align it to the, you can align it, align right. So then you drag it to the right hand side. Then you bolding it, then I'm trying to, now you can space the line spacing. Can you see? So here okay, that is fine. So you can drag it a bit to the left. So then you can change the fonts. Come to fonts, choose any font of your choice. Antone. So then you can reduce the size. You can increase it as well. You can increase the size. So this 100. So you can then change the color. How do you can change the color to any one of your choice, but I wanted to go in line with this, the color of the background or the color of the alarm, so the clock. So now what do I have to do? I duplicate the text, so then I drag the other one to the left, then I change the color to the one the color of the alarm. But if it is, you can see it's a kind of darker. It's darker than the orange here, this one. So what do? You can just you can reduce the intensity. Can you see the intensity? If you want to make it darker, come to this side. Can you see? So you can as well change the color to yellow. Let me choose yellow. Let me change to yellow. Okay, fine. This is fine. So what do you now do? You can't place everything on the other text, so then you edit it and it deletes the parts you don't want to, the parts you want you don't need. You delete it, then you place the ones that remain. Place the so I want the yellow color to start from performed in the last one, so and I drag it after filtering the ones I don't need. You place him here, place them on the, can you see, like this. So another thing you can do is to bring in gradients to enable the text to show vividly, so to make it clearer. So if you want the text to show very well, you bring in gradients, then you can twist it, you can flip it, flip horizontal. Okay, so because this is the part I want, I want to apply the gradients to. So you can the gradients you can choose a color from the all this. No, I think this is fine. And choose this. So then as you can see, it's going to display it for you here. Can you see it? So you can choose a darker color. Let's choose this. So we can change this to this. the gradient has it has changed the color, but it's going to you can see that the color is still purple, but it has changed. It has changed. When you download it, it's going to show you purple. So here you send the gradient to the back. You send the gradients to the back. This back is okay. Send it to the back. I can change this to this. I can change it to this. So then I can move it a bit to this side. The reason why we are applying a gradient is to enable the color of the text to show very well. So we can change it to black. Okay, so then you send it to the back. Okay, you can further move it to the side. Okay, that's fine. So then what do you do next? I can move this. Then you can group this. How do you group? If you want to group two objects, you want them to go together, then you long press on the one of the objects, then click on select multiple, then click on the other one, then you group them together. Come to this side and group. So they are grouped together now, so I can move the two texts, everything at once to a certain position. Can you see it? So this is how it is done. So then next thing is to add effects. So how do I add an effect? You come to effect here, so you can change it to lift. So then so now it's done. So what do I have to do next? Click on the plus button. So I want to add another text, so click on add a little bit of body text, then you drag it, change the color to white. So then you type you edit at cognitives ng. So you can drag it using the nudge button to then you can reduce the size. You can reduce it to 40. Let's use 50. Okay, it's fine. So bring it to the centered. Can you see the line? So here, so then you can italicize it. Okay, it's italicized already. You can bolding it, or you leave it like this. So that is that. Then you can proceed to download it. You click on the button at the top right corner of the screen. So can change the color. Let's see if black is going to show. Okay, it's not showing clearly. You can change it to let's choose the light blue. Okay, let's choose a lighter one. Okay, it's fine. So can you see it? Then you can press to download. So just change the page. This is page 2, so click on it. It's page 1, click on it. It's 2 pages, click on the 2 pages. So then you download. This may just take up to a few minutes or seconds to download, depending on the the power of your phone. If your phone is very smart, it downloads quickly. Then after downloading, you proceed to it to can proceed to posting it social media platforms. Then that is it.